How would you like to know how to double your team's best ideas? Not by hiring smarter people, not by changing your team, but by fixing one thing hidden in plain sight in every single meeting you run. If you're watching this, your team meetings are boring, not unproductive, but broken. 3 people won't stop talking, half your team's hits on mute, and the best ideas, they die in silence. But that ends today, because I'm going to show you a simple method that can flip this around in just 5 minutes. So here is what's really happening. Every team has 2 types of people. Type 1, fast talkers. They think out loud, they jump in second, there's a silence. They are not trying to take over, it's just how their brain works. Type 2, the deep thinkers. They need time to organize their ideas, but by they are ready to share, the conversation has already moved on. Sound familiar? Most managers try to classic fix. Let's hear from everyone. Or they put quiet people on the spot. That doesn't help, it just makes things awkward. I found a better way from hospital operating rooms. So before surgery, doctors run something called pre-brief. Everyone from a lead surgeon to the newest nurse shares one concern. And here's the twist, they go backward. So the newest person speaks first. That gives me an idea. What if we separated thinking time from talking time? So here is the method. Step 1, start with 2 minutes of silence writing. Everyone writes down their thoughts, not talking aloud. Step 2, each person shares one key point, 30 seconds max. Not everything you do, just one idea. So let's do the math. 2 minutes of writing, 6 people times 30 seconds each equals 5 minutes. That's less time that you already waste waiting for someone to unmute. Worried that the loud people won't stop? Just put timer on the screen. When it hits 30 seconds, it beeps. So the timer is the bad guy, not you. I tried this with my Scrum team. The senior developer, who usually dominated, said it was the first time he actually heard what the junior devs had thinking. And the junior had been sitting on the fix to our biggest problem for 2 weeks. He just never found the chance to bring it up. That one 5-minute exercise saved us 20 hours of wasted work. So here's the truth. You don't have a communication problem. You have a format problem. Your quiet people aren't disengaged. They are just operating in a system built for fast talkers. When you give space for writing and talking, you're not just managing personalities, you are multiplying intelligence. So tomorrow, try this. 2 minutes of silent writing, 30 seconds each to share. The format does the work. You just have to trust. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you faced when trying to get your quiet team members to speak up? Drop it in the comments and I will be reading every one of them.